Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace, I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you 10 best shopping apps for your phone so you can save money and make money while you're shopping. So let's get started right now. Before I get started to show you the 10 best shopping apps for your phone to make money with, I want to just mention that these 10 apps, I've only used maybe like 2 of these, okay? So I don't really use these apps to make money. I actually don't use a lot of apps to make money. I use affiliate marketing to make money. And if you want to learn how to use affiliate marketing to make money, you can use this link up here on my channel art right here on the right. This link it will show you exactly what I do to make my passive online income. So if you want to do that, you can check out that link, okay? So let's get started with the first app. So here we are. The first app is called Coinout, and this is found at coinout.com. And so you could earn cash from your receipts. In this particular app, you can use any receipt. So virtually from any retailer for any product purchases that you make, okay? Why they want your receipts? Because they want to do data research on you guys. And they want to see what you buy and so forth. So that's what the data is for. So they're just basically trying to reward you for your data. And so what you're going to do is all you got to do is take photos for your receipts after you purchase, and then they give you the randomized rewards. That's it. We use the purchasing data to show you more relevant offers in the app and chances to earn through partners, feedback forms, and other ways. We never sell your information. So how it works, there are many cashback apps. We think they are too complicated. With Coinout, you'll get a random reward for every receipt you upload. You can also earn by shopping through Coinout at online merchants and signing up to Coinout partners. So you can also do this for online cashback as well. So if you want to shop online, all you gotta do is you start purchasing from the Coinout app and find the merchant logo. You'll get Coinout cashback after completing the purchase. And so you could track your transactions and then you can earn bonus cash. Look for the Coinout icons on the home screen to learn about our partner market. We work with great partners who find you ways to save and earn. So the benefits of using this app is just that you're gonna get a bunch of rewards for your receipts. So this is an example. Someone uploaded a Chipotle receipt. So the date has to be within the 2 weeks of purchase. And they need to see all the items that have been purchased and the total amount spent. So you need to have 4 elements on the receipt. The only bad thing about this app is that you have no idea what the rewards are until you're on the app, okay? Because I can't find any info on that. So I'm going to go to the next one here. It's called Receipt Pal. And this one is found at receiptpalapp.com. So basically it's the name and you just add app.com. So this one, you are going to be doing some similar things with your receipts, okay? So you're going to turn receipts into rewards. And why I want to show you some of the similar apps is because then you could use your one receipt and do it on multiple apps, okay? So you could earn even more. So that's why it's advantageous to show you more of these types of apps so that you can kind of stack them up to make bigger rewards for yourself, okay? So Receipt Pal lets you earn valuable gift cards and cash prizes just for submitting receipts. So this is going to work probably similar to the previous one I just showed you. Okay, so you could check that one out. And then the next one here is Receipt Hog at receipthog.com. Now this one, snap receipts, earn money. So Receipt Hog, it will be just as easy for you to upload the same receipt for the other 2 apps. You see? Any store, look, snap receipts, shop anywhere, buy anything, then take a picture of your receipt. Then you're going to upload it and then you go win at the Hog Slots, take a survey. Oh, you could get bonuses too. So there's other things that you can earn on the app for this one. And then you could redeem your points for coins or redeem coins for prizes, which you could do either gift cards or even cash, which is through PayPal, guys, okay? So this one's really good because you have a cash option, which is going to be really good. And this one is a pretty dependable app and has some, I've reviewed this before and it has pretty good reviews on this one. So the next one I'm going to go into is Freebird. You can find this at freebirdrides.com. And what this app does is that it's going to give you rewards and points, and also you could redeem those for cash, okay? So you're going to get cash back and points for every time you Uber or Lyft. So if you like using Uber or Lyft, this app's for you for sure, because I have read that it is very easy to get cash back. Like it doesn't take long to get cash back. I mean, I believe the app, like you can rack up your points and redeem at every $10 or something like that. And this lady I was researching about this app said that she was able to get the $10 threshold pretty quickly, like pretty often. So if you're somebody who uses Uber or Lyft often, you could get cash back and don't be just using those rides for nothing. So all you gotta do is connect. So download this app, connect your Uber and Lyft accounts to this app, and then you're going to be making money for each ride you do, okay? So they've already paid out $3.7 million, so that ain't shabby at all. Points from rides and promotions, this is how many points they've given out. Going out just got more rewarding. So these are the things that you can do on the app. So you could definitely get cash back for all the rides that you have. So this app actually connects both Uber and Lyft. So you have one app that does everything for you instead of going to, one app or Uber app or Lyft app. And then you can save money by using this app for the cash, offer cash back for your rides. And then you're going to earn points for every ride and you could get home safely, meaning, so they work with your favorite brands to get you home safely with a cashback bonus. So you could check this one out if you take rides, okay? So the next one I want to show you is Shopkick at shopkick.com. This is a pretty fun app that you can make money with at home or on your phone, okay? So for this one, you can do indoor stuff or online stuff from home. So let's see how it works quickly. So it's basically doing little things for points, and you could trade those points for rewards, okay? So like this, there are 6 ways for you to earn rewards while you shop. So you can earn rewards just walking into the stores, and then you can scan stuff to earn not points, I guess. With this app you earn kicks instead of points, so you get kicks to go into stores, you get kicks for scanning barcodes, and you get kicks for submitting your receipt here too. So actually there's a 4th app here that you can submit your receipt to, and then you could link your card if you want to earn kicks when you buy stuff. And also you can make online purchases and watch videos for kicks as well. So this you can earn by just watching videos, so that's pretty cool. And then you could trade your kicks in for gift cards, and you can check out what the gift cards are over here. They don't have a PayPal option for this one, but it has a lot of popular name brands, so I'm sure you can find something that you really like for that one. So the next app I want to show you is called GetUpside, and for this one is at getupside.com, and you click on for people and people home, and you get to this page. So what this is another shopping app where you can earn from different types of businesses like gas stations, grocery stores, restaurants, and there are going to be more because they're going to keep adding. So each of these shopping ads will have their own kind of specialty of the stores or type of stores that they want you to go to. And that's why for this app and the next 4, this is all for shopping. So pay attention for these apps if you like to shop and you want to get cash back. So this is definitely one of them. So you want to do this one for these types of things that you want to do. But actually, there's a better app for restaurants I'm going to show you in a second. The 7th app is called Drop, and you can get to here with earnwithdrop.com. So this one, you actually going to shop with the app. So you can shop at the brands you love and automatically get rewards. So let's see how this one works. So this is a new kind of rewards program. It's saying from your first coffee to your late night food delivery. So this is more about eating again. So food, shopping, and travel. So if you do a lot of travel, this one could be for you. So whether you're reserving flights from Expedia or ordering food from places like Postmates, you can shop directly from the Drop app. Effortlessly earn points. Start earning points right away. For every purchase you make, you get Drop points, and they add up quickly so you can spend them even faster. Rewards as good as cash. Redeem your points at places like Amazon, Netflix, and Starbucks. So they don't have cash option for this one, but like they're saying, you get the rewards of the popular brands that you all know, guys, okay? The next one is Ibotta, Ibotta.com. This one is a very popular cashback app, and this is one of the top apps that I would advise you to use. So this is app number 8. It says get a $20 welcome bonus for just signing up with this app, guys, okay? Or just using this app. So you're gonna have to see how to get this bonus. Is a big bonus, okay? So let's just go to how to use this app. So basically you're gonna browse the offers inside the app before you shop in store, or you can start with the app when you shop online. Then you're gonna submit your receipts or link your loyalty accounts and watch the cashback roll in. Okay, so this is an app that you actually have to upload your receipt or link a loyalty account in order for you to get cash back. So this particular app actually has an extra step to it for you to earn the cash back. So you want to make sure when you pick your apps, you gotta make sure which one you want to use, because there's still another app that I'm about to show you that it's gonna be even more convenient than having to submit your receipts. So although this Ibotta app is very popular and it's been used by many people, okay? So use pay with Ibotta to earn cashback at more places instantly. So if you actually shop with the app, then you're gonna get cashback even faster, okay? Obviously without uploading any receipts or anything like that. So they've paid out almost, wow, that's $682 million already. So this is a very good one that if you want to check it out. So the 9th one I want to show you is Rakuten, and this one I've used. As you can see, I have a balance in here. So this is a shopping site or shopping app that you could download this on your phone as well. So this one, you are not earning any rewards or anything like that. If you're going to shop through Rakuten, so you need to shop through Rakuten, meaning you either you start shopping on their website or in the app. Okay, once you start shopping in there, and then but you need to click on the brand name that you want to shop at through their website. Then it takes you to the shopping site to actually make the transaction. And once that happens, then the tracking will go back to your account to give you the cash back once your purchase has been verified and all that. It does take a little time for your purchases to verify and get your points into your account, but this is one that I've used before and is very effective, and this is one of the higher cashback sites. Like the percentage that you get, this is one of the higher percentages sites that you can get cash back from all your shopping efforts. This is a great one to check out. So the 10th one I want to show you though is kind of like the best one, because this is how you could actually earn not rewards but actual cash, and without uploading any receipts or anything like that. But this is kind of more geared towards being in shopping in store and doing restaurants, okay? So first of all, to download this app, use workanywherenow.com/dosh. And so you can use that to download the app. And then when you download the app, what you need to do is connect your credit or debit cards that you use very often, okay? You gotta link your main cards on this app, because you're gonna miss out if you don't link your main cards. So once you link your cards, I think you actually get $1 when you link your cards. I'm not sure why it's not showing it here, but after you link your cards, then you shop and you dine out, and then you get automatic cash back to all the stores that are participating with this app, and you just get it automatically without uploading receipts, without doing rewards points or anything like that, or converting anything like that. You just get cash back, period, and automatically. And then when you kind of refer this to other people, you're going to have a referral code that you could get $5 for each person that links a card, okay? So I use this app, and that's why I want you to use my referral link, workanywherenow.com/Dosh, so that, you know, I could earn my $5. And then when you get linked up, and you can also use your code to refer other people to get your $5, okay? So this is a very awesome app to use for shopping, and I really love it. And it's been working out for me for this one too. So I really hope you like these shopping apps. And if you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money with your phone or with at home. Okay, because I give you a lot of online money making methods. So I hope you subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. Okay, guys, don't forget to check out these videos right beside me, and I hope I see you on the next video. Bye.